Good morning, guys. Let's have a quick review of what is going on and how we can also take advantage of it. So, in my last video, I told you guys about this 3-month CRT low as my draw on liquidity, and then I had this dealing range. I think this dealing range, right? Yes, but then the market created a new lower low, so this becomes the actual new dealing range. So initially I was looking for this FVG to be tapped since it was in the premium region of the dealing range. However, creating this new low, this becomes our new dealing range, and this lower FVG falls within the premium region of this dealing range. So I would be looking at this FVG. That was what I was looking at, and then price has tapped into this FVG, right? So now the question is, the thing is, we have our directional bias that is lower. So how do we form a market contest? So this morning when I woke up, I was having this FVG in mind that I wanted it to tap. It has already tapped into this FVG at 9 o'clock p.m. But if you look at something here, this FVG, it didn't trade towards the lower level as in the discount region of this FVG. So I was looking at it to tap into this FVG, as in have a page at this low, then before we go we gravitate to the upside. But unfortunately it didn't happen, right? Okay, so I am thinking that I know there are some people who think, oh, okay, so there is a page above this candle and then we are taking this as our CRT, then price will trade lower, right? I mean, you are not wrong, but looking at this, know that this FVG here, this is the discounts region, right? I'm sorry, this is the premium region. So this line is the premium region. Let me remove the FVG, and then it hasn't traded into the premium region, right? And then let's look at the XY. So if we look at the XY, we can see that price has not traded into any key level that is in the discount region, and then the only key level in this discount region is this fair value gap, which has not been traded to. And then the market makers make it seem that so because there is a page, people will take this as their CRT. So over here, because there is a page below this low, and then how things are going, you think I am sure this candle, 6 a.m. candle, is going to close above this candle, and they will take this as what their order block. And I believe, and I'm very sure that there are some people who have already taken this as their 4-hour CRT. So with this page, and then with this page, then they will take what an entry here. But what you should ask yourself is there any key level? Has the key level been hit yet? No. So I am looking forward that price will purge this low and tap into this daily fair value gap, right? So this line is the high of the fair value gap. So when it taps into it, then we see a change in state of delivery on the 1 hour. Then price, it uses that to go up. So that is what I'm looking at. So price, I am sure price is going to just take this high before, if there is any dump, then we dump. So I am still having this in mind, as in this 3-month CRT low in mind as my draw on liquidity. So that is what I'm looking forward to. Then when there is a page above this candle, then we see how things will go. So that is what I'll be looking at. So I'll be looking for sales this week. But if there is a little opportunity here to go long, such that the price action is going to take this candle high, I will take that long opportunity.